Hey there, this video is next week's very vulnerable cold battlefield weather forecast UK 23. Like this video, press the thumbs up left on the screen right now. The place you're interested with the global heat temperature of the west coast of South America, east and central and western part, and north participation of upper global heat temperature, North Atlantic upper global heat temperature interested today, the west coast of Africa interested today, and the Gulf of Mexico upper global heat temperature. See what's going on, guys. Ow! Fascinating. This is interesting weather, guys, for the upper global heat temperature. So about a very super El Nino central, east and western base at the moment, which is the precursor for very warm winter across northwestern Europe. And yes, there is some cold weather occurring across the UK for the next week or so, a cold snap, but it's nothing to worry about too much. The Atlantic is very powerful. Even with these cold blues there, it's still very powerful Atlantic onslaught weather coming towards the UK in the future, guys. I'm not joking. We're not finished with the Atlantic yet. It's going to be a very warm winter this year. 2023-2024 across the UK. There is a cold snap coming up, but it's nothing to worry about too much. I'll get too excited about it at the moment, but we could get a 35% chance of big freezes winter 2023-24 with an SSW protection in the future forecast wise, but it's double forecast that's the change as usual. That's the global upper global temperature today. Done with. This is the American 6-8 GFS model prediction today. We're going from the we go from the date today is the 21st of November. We go from now. Talk about Atlantic onslaught where we're staying to the north parts of the UK. But then you get a northwesterly blast, cold blast, 24th, 25th of November. Then high pressure comes in. It gets quite cold and frosty, especially across the northern parts of the UK, northern England and Scotland. And then it stays pretty chilly at northwesterly wind. And then that high pressure goes away. Low pressure there, high pressure to the east. Winds are coming from the, I think southeast Sedell also, and southeasterly winds, quite cold from the European. Then southwesterly winds. And the high pressure starts to build up to the north of this. Tries to get northern blocking. It slides southwards. Cold warm air coming from the west there. Very undecided weather, very vulnerable cold battlefield forecast day we're looking at here, guys. The American 6 said today. And this is the upper air temperature. You see it is at -5 upper air temperatures across the UK. So it's getting chilly, and this is the future, guys, 7th of December. So this cold air coming. This is one of many GFS runs. The warmest outcome, I think, is the 12 GFS model run. And this is the upper air temperature across the UK you're looking at right now, across Woking Town. The red line's the 30 average line, upper air temperature. Right under the temperature go, there is a little cold tap coming out for a while, the 25th to 28th of November. Then it goes back up to average, then it goes below average. It starts to undulate a little bit, but it's nothing to worry about at home yet, but it's all to play for. And this is the upper air temperature green operation run, the green run. That's going up in the future, I'm afraid to say. I don't think we're in for a big freeze at the moment. And this is the weather forecast working town from my Met Office, about westerly wind, 4 to 5 miles per hour. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a shower. There was a shower that wasn't predicted by the Met Office, so don't be surprised if there are showers in the next few days, light to heavy ones, as well as the sunshine being out. It's very unpredictable weather at the moment. The winds are coming from the north there. There might be a cold snap this weekend of -1 Celsius this morning, -0. Maybe a touch of frost across Woking Town locally. It's all to play for. The weather's looking highly vulnerable, guys, into the future. You can see what's going on there. Very unpredictable. Northerly winds again. The pressure's literally, 1,021 going up. This is the American GFS 6 said. Look at that. Like I said, northern parts of England, Scotland might have snow, and the southeast and something like I said last week. And look, there's part there. That's across the Midlands. So there is some snow potential in this forecast. And this is the American. This is the Arctic oscillation. When the Arctic oscillation is going negative, you've got northern blocking, but we've got positive. That means you've got high pressure over the UK, and you've got low pressure over Greenland. And the Arctic oscillation and North Atlantic oscillation, they both go for the same thing. It's the same thing that look out of this, guys. So I'll show you right this minute, guys. Same layout. So both agreement that there's no northern block in the future. Like I said to you, the only thing we can get a cold winter this year is an SSW, which we might do, but it's a 35% chance. I like those video, please subscribe to my channel on Sunday Evans. I'm always 85% right about winter weather forecasts and let alone the weather across the UK for next week. It's pretty, you name it, vulnerably cold. Highly vulnerable. I hope you like the video, please subscribe to my channel on Sunday Evans. I'm always 85% right about the weather around the world globally and local across the UK. I'm not about climate change. You subscribe to my channel on Sunday Evans. Bye.